Another fiery showdown in Parliament. Rajya Sabha proceedings began with protest and chaos today as the BJP is up in arms over Muslim reservation in Karnataka.
बदलाया जाएगा। आप बताइए अध्यक्ष महोदय, यह सदन कैसे चुप बैठ सकते हैं? सरकार
The Saffron clan is questioning Congress party's stand on Muslim reservation. This comes after Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister hailed Karnataka government's move of 4% reservation to minorities in public contracts. He allegedly said that with this move, the constitution will be changing.
The NDA party has taken very serious note of the statement given by senior Congress leader who is holding a constitutional position. And he has clearly stated that the reservation in contracts to the Muslim is a step towards providing reservation and other facilities to the Muslim community, and for that he has clearly stated that the Constitution of India would be changed, and his statement is very clear, the Constitution would be changing.
Hitting out, DK Shiv Kumar accused BJP of miscarrying his remarks.
I have a basic common sense. I have not said that there will be any. I have said casually there will be so many changes after various judgments. Whatever reservation has been given as per the quota of the backward class has been given. I have not said that we are going to change the constitution or not that. Whatever they are quoting is wrong. They are miscarrying it. I am categorically telling that we are a national party. We know what is the constitution, how constitution has been. It is our party. We have brought the constitution to this country.
The Saffron clan is demanding DK Shiv Kumar's resignation, accusing him of disrespecting the Constitution of India.